Massive fire at Wisynco warehouse in St. Catherine. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to your viewers on onespotmedia.com. I am Nadine McLeod.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, local government minister orders audit of the Hanover Parish Council.
Why the revised Occupational Safety and Health Act still not passed after 20 years.
The BOJ governor's take on the slide in the value of the Jamaican dollar.
Banks continue to fork out cash to compensate victims of bank fraud.
And in the business news, Supreme Ventures eyes more lotto spending with new tax break.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Do you believe the recent steps taken by the government to halt the slide in the value of the Jamaican dollar will be effective?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.